Supply chain management is the coordination of all activities involved in sourcing, producing, storing, transporting, and delivering goods and services to the final customer. Supply chain management integrates supply and demand management across organizations to maximize overall value creation. In simpler terms, it ensures the right product gets to the right place, at the right time, at the right cost to provide the right value. Why does supply chain management matter? Because it drives efficiency, reduces costs, and enhances customer satisfaction. Supply chain scholars emphasize that competitive advantage in today's marketplace comes less from individual firms and more from supply chains competing against supply chains. Think about Amazon's one-day delivery or Toyota's just-in-time production. These are not accidents. They're the result of world-class supply chain strategies, powered by automation, analytics, and global coordination. The supply chain has 5 core elements. Number 1, suppliers, providing raw materials and semi-processed goods. Number 2, production, transforming raw materials and semi-processed goods into finished goods. Number 3, warehousing and inventory, storing and control of goods efficiently. Number 4, distribution and logistics, transporting products to the consumers. Number 5, customers, the final destination, where satisfaction defines success. Every link must be managed carefully, because one weak link can disrupt the entire chain. Take Amazon Prime as an example. Amazon combines advanced forecasting, robotics in warehouses, and a global transportation network to guarantee one-day delivery. This is supply chain excellence in action. Firms that adopt digital and transparent supply chain practices achieve superior agility and operational efficiency due to their supply chain orientation. A supply chain orientation is a paradigm and the recognition by a company of the systemic, strategic implications of the activities and processes involved in managing the various flows in a supply chain like products, money, risks, information, value. The future of supply chains will be driven by digitalization, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and predictive analytics. These technologies will further reduce costs, enhance customer satisfaction, optimize lead times, and improve resilience in uncertain global environments. For students, entrepreneurs, and professionals, mastering these trends opens high-value career and business opportunities. Now you know, supply chain management isn't just about moving goods, it's the backbone of global business. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Supply Chain Simplified, and tap the bell icon for more tutorials, case studies, and insights into logistics and supply chain management. Comment below. Which area of supply chain management should we simplify next?